Welcome to Baserow, the open source no code database platform that's revolutionizing the way small businesses manage their data. Imagine you run a boutique marketing firm and need a customized CRM to track client interactions, projects, and deadlines. With Baserow, you can create a tailored database that fits your unique business needs without writing a single line of code. Let's dive into how Baserow can make this a reality. First, let's create our own CRM from scratch. We'll start by naming our first table Clients. In Baserow, tables are like spreadsheets, but much more powerful. We'll add fields for client names, contact information, project type, and status updates. Each field can be customized to hold different types of data, like text, numbers, dates, or even checkboxes. Now, let's add some data. We'll enter a few clients into our database. As you can see, entering data is as straightforward as typing in a spreadsheet. But here's where Baserow shines. We can link records between tables. Let's create a new table called Projects and link it to our Clients table. This way, we can track multiple projects for each client without duplicating information. What about tracking project deadlines? No problem. We add a date field in our Projects table and use Baserow's calendar view to see our deadlines at a glance. This visual representation makes it simple to stay on top of our deliverables and manage our team's workload effectively. But what if we need to share this information with our team or clients? Baserow has got us covered. We can share our database with specific users, giving them view or edit permissions. And if we need to present data in a more polished format, we can create a form view directly from our table, allowing clients to submit information that feeds straight into our database. Lastly, let's talk about automation. As our marketing firm grows, we need to automate repetitive tasks. Baserow lets us set up simple automations, like sending a welcome email when a new client is added to our database, or a reminder when a project deadline is approaching. Baserow is not just a tool, it's a platform that grows with your business. Its flexibility, ease of use, and powerful features make it the ideal choice for small businesses looking to take control of their data without the complexity of traditional database software. So, whether you're managing clients, projects, inventory, or events, Baserow gives you the power of a developer right from your browser. Say goodbye to the constraints of off-the-shelf software and hello to a world of possibilities with Baserow. Create, customize, and collaborate on your data your way. Get started today and see how Baserow can transform the way you do business.